Okay, guys, I got a lesson for you guys today. We're going to be taking notes. We're going to be taking notes. Guys, listen up. Listen up, please. We're going to be taking notes on speed and velocity. I'm going to go up to the board here. That paper you got there, I'm going to be writing notes. I want you to follow along and copy the notes onto your paper because you're going to have an assignment. You're going to need to use the notes for your assignment. I'm about to move you guys already, man. I already told you, you're talking while I'm talking. Please stop. Yes.
Why are you recording yourself?
Because this is my second lesson doing this, and I want to make sure I do a good job. It's kind of my critique of myself. Oh. Everybody got something to write with? All right. On here, on the Promethean.
What? Oh, yeah. I ain't never been here.
All right, guys. Pay attention. Here we go. You ain't got nothing to write with, man. You ain't got your notes in front of you. You about to start, man. You got to have that stuff. Come on, man. Come on, Noah. Hey, man, same with you. Where's your paper at? You know, you got it? Okay. There's 3 formulas that go along with this. One is going to be distance.
Ow, why'd you do that?
The other one is going to be speed, or it could be called velocity. And the third one is time. Now, there's 3 formulas that are associated with this. We're going to start with the formula for distance, okay? Distance. And the formula for this will be distance equals velocity multiplied by time. Yep, just what you do right there. E equals V equals. Okay, we have another formula. This one is going to be for time. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me on this one too. This is very important. Distance is measured in kilometers, meters, or centimeters. This is the formula for time. This is going to be measured in hours and minutes, and I'm sorry, seconds. And that formula is going to be T equals D over V, distance over velocity. When you have it like that, what kind of problem is that? That's right. And we have one more. This is the formula for speed. It's going to be velocity equals distance over time. Everybody got that down? All right. Everybody good? All right, in the first problem, it says a racehorse that wins the 3,200 meter cup in a time of 200 seconds. What is the racehorse speed? So what are we looking for here? Speed. Okay, I forgot to show you guys something very important too on this. That's going to help you out a lot. So the formula for speed, again, is speed equals distance over time. She wanted you guys to really realize this. Whenever you're looking at this pyramid, whatever you're solving for, say you were solving for distance. If you cover the distance, it actually gives you the formula that you need. The speed times. That's the formula you need. Now, if you were solving for speed, you would do the same thing. You cover this, and then see what's left is D over T. That's your formula. That's how easy way to figure out what formula you need to use. Whatever you're solving for, cover it up, and it gives you the formula. So now we're going to plug in our numbers here. 3,200 goes where? In this formula, we're on top. Who said that? That's right, on top. So that leaves what? The 200 on the bottom, right? So it's 3,200 divided by 200. So, and then another important thing on your answer, you don't just put 16. What else do you need for your label? You put M/S. You guys kind of get that? All right. Work through these other problems on your own speed. I'm going to go over them slowly on the board here. But you get those notes down, and then once you get through that, I got an assignment for you guys to start, okay? The one I'm working on now is on the top right. So we're solving for speed on that one, so we plug in our numbers, right? Oh, yes, you can. You guys need calculators? Calculators? That's fine. You guys good? You guys good? Calculators?
You don't need them.
Okay. You guys good? Let's see.
Yes.
So the answer would be 17. Yeah, that's funny, huh? See how I labeled that second one, guys? Miles and hours.
Oh, the town.
Yep, you gotta see where it says hours at.
No, it's not a second.
Make sure on that second one you labeled it correctly. It's miles and hours. All right, for the third one, we're doing velocity. Same thing as speed, distance over time. This time my numbers are 700 over what? Over 25. Do them off. Velocity equals. And then, do you know the labeling? Not M's. Not M's. KMs. Yep. Now look at the label on that one. I know it's like some more math. Make sure you got the right label correct, because if you don't get that right, it's not right. KMS.
Don't do that. I said don't do that.
Don't do what?
KMS. That's a bad job, guys.
All I said was don't do that. I'm being encouraging.
All right, this one is we're gonna do. This one's a little different. If the velocity of a car is 45 kilometers per hour west, how far can it travel in 0.5 hours?
25.5.
So what are we looking for on that?
I think I got it right.
What are we looking for? Nope. Nope. We're looking for distance. Because it asks, how far can it travel? That's the key question. How far can it travel? So it's going to be distance equals velocity multiplied by time. So you're going to do 45 times 0.5.
That's 22.5.
And that is 22.5. And what's the label behind it? KM. Good job, guys. Oh yeah. Eureka. I think we got it.
Eureka is crazy.
Oh, sorry. Here. Let me know if I'm going too fast, guys.
Is it? I'm gonna drive slash. You consider or just
It's slash seconds. Seconds.
So for the
All right. I'm sorry. We're at 22.5, right? Right? No, it's just KM. I'm sorry. Just see on the distance, it's just because they're just asking for distance, so you don't need seconds or anything on that one. And on this next one, this is going to be different too, because they're just asking for time. How much time does it take a person to walk 8 kilometers east at a velocity of 4 kilometers per hour? So we're going time equals distance over velocity. So that's 8 over 4. Ooh, that's a hard math problem. Man, that's so hard. 2.
Did you say it was 6?
And that's all you need behind that one. You don't need the slash seconds or anything, because it's just asking for the time. So that's key. And the last one. The speed of sound in the air is roughly 1,484 miles per second. How far in meters will a sound travel in 3 seconds? So we're going distance equals.
I thought you said where you could do this.
Beat time.
Just do 180. Just do 1484 times 3.
And that's exactly what the formula is. But you have to show your work. So you have to write all this out just like I'm doing it. 1,484 times 3. D equals what? NT body?
1,452.
52 what?
meters. Yeah.
Perfect. Great job.
I got the answer.
Excelente. All right, guys, I'm going to hand out your assignment.
All right, come on.
Got colored pencils and good things like that, because you got a color bowler.
Get this down.
Should I have my color generally? You want to get a picture of my war wound?
Colors? You got your own? You guys good?
Someone's Android's one is there.
Uh-oh.
Well, it's fine.
For the pencils?
84 miles. Everybody's getting from the 7 miles per hour. What about we just said so much time?
You look so confused.
On the back, there's a coloring page as well, guys.
You need help, Sydney.
Y'all need any more?
There's the first one, Dustin. Yeah. I know. No, it's time. It's time. Is the first one time? Oh.
You guys good? You don't? So you're gonna plug in. This is the this is the distance, and this is the time. So it's all speed, right? So you can reverse speed. Where's the distance go? Yep. I'm just not sure. He's dividing. What? 200. You guys got any questions? Need anything? Let me know.
So first you're showing the software. It's also big.